Hey everybody, Alex Thomen here, and I am your friendly neighborhood audio program chair. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can customize your user interface in Pro Tools. Let's check it out. So right now, I'm looking at the edit window in Pro Tools. So from here, I'm going to navigate up to where it says Window, and I'm going to choose Color Palette towards the bottom. This will bring up the floating color palette window. At the bottom left corner of this window, you'll see this option that says UI customization. There is a little triangle to the left of it. If you click on that, it will bring up all of the different options we have for customizing our UI. So from this main drop-down menu, we actually have two options. We have Classic Theme and Dark Theme. So Classic, as the name suggests, is the classic Pro Tools interface color customization. But if I change this to Dark, notice how it changes my entire user interface. So the Dark theme could be useful when you're working in Pro Tools for hours at a time. It's a little bit easier on your eyes. So we have these two main themes, but we can get even deeper into our UI customization. We have several different drop-down menus here to customize the user interface of different parameters. So if I click on General, we have things like our text and line color. So I can come in here and choose the text in Pro Tools to be yellow. And notice that changes all of my text to yellow. Whenever you make a change, you can always reset it. If I come down to tracks, I actually have something here called track header saturation. Now this is a really useful function because notice as I bring the saturation up, it colors all of my tracks depending on the track color themselves. And this change will be reflected in the mix window as well. So I'll change over to the mix window and notice all of my channel strips here are now colored from top to bottom just as the track color bar at the bottom is colored. So that is really useful for organizing your Pro Tools sessions. There are a bunch of different options in here. You can customize the tracks, how clips are colored, your grid lines, marker lines, and automation breakpoints. All of this stuff can be customized however you want it. So go through here and actually find how you like to have your Pro Tools session set up. Once you find a setting that you like, if you come up to where it says Presets, if you hold the Command key on Mac, this is the Control key on Windows, and just click one of these presets, notice it flashes a few times. That means you are saving your current configuration as a preset. So you can always come back and just click on one of these numbers to recall a preset that you've saved. For more tips and guides like this, consider joining the Pro Tools certification class, which meets on campus. You'll learn stuff like this and many of the in-depth features of Pro Tools that make it really awesome for navigating and working.